Torrential slide value equivalent to 315.24 rands a coin. The present cost range, 312.84–317.56. The earlier day close, 317.07. The change was 1.83, 0.58%. Opposite rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 317 rands, high 339, low 295. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost 321 rands, high 343, low 299. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost 319 rands, high 341, low 297. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 327 rands, high 350, low 304. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 335 rands, high 358, low 312. In multi-week torrential slide gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 326 rands, high 349, low 303. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 319 rands, high 341, low 297. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 309 rands, high 331, low 287. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. In about 14 days, torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 312 rands, high 334, low 290. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 327 rands, high 350, low 304. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 316 rands, high 338, low 294. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 310 rands, high 332, low 288. In 3 weeks, torrential slide conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 341 rands, high 365, low 317. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 346 rands, high 370, low 322. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost 314 rands, high 336, low 292. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 334 rands, high 357, low 311. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost 341 rands, high 365, low 317. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 380 rands, high 407, low 353. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else, cost at 315 rands. Excessive cost 370, while low cost 287. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 328. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 341. Change for April 8.3%. Torrential slide figure for May 2023. At the outset, cost at 341 rands. Excessive cost 411, while low cost 335. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 364. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 368. Change for May 7.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 368 rands. Exorbitant cost 397, while low cost 345. The found the middle value of cost 370. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 371. Change for June 0.8%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 371 rands. Exorbitant cost 371, while low cost 315. The found the middle value of cost 349. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 339. Change for July 8.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 339 rands. Exorbitant cost 421, while low cost 339. The found the middle value of cost 373. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 393. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 393 rands. Exorbitant cost 393, while low cost 307. The found the middle value of cost 356. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 330. Change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 330 rands. Excessive cost 330, while low cost 258. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 299. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 277. Change for October 16.1%. Torrential slide figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 277 rands. Excessive cost 336, while low cost 277. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 301. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 314. Change for November 13.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 314 rands. Excessive cost 321, while low cost 279. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 304. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 300. Change for December 4.5%. Torrential slide figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 300 rands. Excessive cost 300, while low cost 234. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 272. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 252. Change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 252 rands. Exorbitant cost 312, while low cost 252. The found the middle value of cost 277. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 292. Change for February 15.9%. Torrential slide gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 292 rands. Exorbitant cost 292, while low cost 228. The found the middle value of cost 264. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 245. Change for spring 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 245 rands. Exorbitant cost 245, while low cost 192. The found the middle value of cost 222. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 206. Change for April 15.9%. ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3172 coins per 100 rand. The present reach 0.3149 minus 0.3196. The earlier